Okay, this is a little easier to do. It's flat as opposed to compounds. See where we can go. Has a certain tack to it, just enough that allows you to move it around. It doesn't stick like Scotch tape, you gotta go ripping at it. Just enough tack that it'll hold it in place as you work it. See these sharp edge right angles? Careful with them. You can tear the vinyl. It will tear. Now, start with the heat. Okay, that took a while. Get this fold over. Start it. Working good. Make some adjustments. A couple of small creases to repair. Looks good. Okay, this is really tough. This vinyl on the body. Nice flat wing. Not such a big issue. But when you've got so many compound screws, everything is shaped, and you can't pull this vinyl really tight, because if you do, you're stretching it. If you stretch it over an inside radius, then what you wind up with is, you may not see it, there's a little bubble right there. So what I have to do is I have to heat this here, and bring it together. No sense just heating this, because all this will do is pop up again. Right now, I'm using a chrome. This is vivid vinyl again. Find it works well. I'm using a chrome. One thing I found with the chrome was that no matter how smooth you seem to get it, in the end, the chrome will not be a real, like on the bumper of a car. It has a texture to it. So what I've done to eliminate some of the texture is I put an under layer of vinyl, and what this does is it tends to give it a more uniform texture in the chrome when it goes on. I think I can show it to you a little bit later, but right now I'm in the process of using the vinyl on the exhaust area of the tunnels. Two layers to peel off. One is this transparent film which protects the chrome. And no, you can't leave it on until after you put it down, because it doesn't work. in the middle. Lay it down. And then work it to the outsides. And don't be afraid to pull it off and pull it on. This actual adhesive process requires heat. If you do it without heat, it takes about 24 to 48 hours of room temperature, and then the bond is pretty much the same. I like to use the heat. And more to go. Cover this. I will cover this very edge here, and the tunnel will be complete. I still have the inner portion of the tunnel to do, and this edge right here. So this will be done, this will be done on both sides, and then we'll give it that nice chrome finish look. By the way, I'm making this look easy. It's really not. There's a fair bit of effort goes into it. A little bit of swearing. Take your time. And because you finished your body so well, you sanded everything, you smoothed everything off, you're going to get a very nice finish when you're done. Worked out well for my wings, and it's working out well for the body. Okay, that's it for today. Quit while I'm ahead. Haven't messed anything up yet. But these 90mm ducted motors, they can really move a lot of air very forcefully. They have to. So this edge right here, where I finished off the vinyl, I'm actually going to use an adhesive to cover that edge. Basically glue it down, because I think the motors could actually lift that very fine edge. It may not. This vinyl does stick exceptionally well, but it could lift that edge, so I'm not going to take a chance. Even on this end here, where I put this, I made sure that I wrapped the vinyl completely from the outside around to the inside. And by doing that, this motor, this ducted fan, is not going to be able to drag this vinyl down the tube. It's bonded well here. The adhesive on this stuff is fantastic. And the nice thing about it is I've had it on over the last 4, 5, 6 years even, and it doesn't let go. But I'm still not going to take a chance that these motors can lift this fine edge here. I'm actually going to use, I'm not sure exactly what adhesive yet, but probably the Gorilla Glue, just a little seam of Gorilla Glue, and that should do the job. On to the next one.